going on, guys? Alex from Detroit Speed here again. So in a change of events, Mark actually made it out to the PPG Nationals. So what we're gonna do now is Larry's on his way over. He just got his tickets to the show. So when he gets here, we're gonna go ahead and unveil his car to him. So Larry's Boss 302, we got it covered up. So as soon as he gets here, we'll take the cover off. He'll get to see his car for the first time, and we wanna share that with you guys. So I'll be right back. What do you think, Larry?
Woo! Oh man!
Everything you dreamed of?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is absolutely gorgeous. All right. Oh man, this is absolutely gorgeous. Wow.
Hey, Mark, why don't you go ahead and fire it up?
What's under the hood?
That sound to you?
Oh man, that sounds beautiful. Beautiful sound. When I flip the throttle, man, it's like, oh man.
So I have to tell you, this is probably, out of all the cars we've done, this is my favorite one. Just because of that engine, the whole combination, the color, and just the fact that you wanted the car to be exactly like it should have been. Yeah. It's perfect. So we're excited for you to have it, enjoy it, and we hope you love it. And it's everything
I love it. Hey, after lugging this thing around for 42 years,
yep,
I definitely have a lot invested in it.
Exactly.
You know, so, and I'm a little biased. I think this is the best car you guys have ever done too.
Thank you. We appreciate that, Larry.
Oh man.
All right, guys. So there you have it. We just gave Larry his car. He's extremely excited about it, and now they're actually going to take the car and they're going to run over to the autocross, because the rules for Muscle Machine of the Year is that you need to do 3 autocross runs with the car. So let's turn the camera around and get Larry's final thoughts on it. So what do you think, Larry? What do you have to say?
After 42 years of my owning this car and never ever seen it on the road, you know, I had high expectations for this car. And after seeing so many Mustangs being redone, I basically turned my dream and my expectations over to Detroit Speed, and basically gave Mark and Kyle and the crew, you know, a chance to run with it, and they did. And here it is, and I couldn't be happier. This thing is just awesome.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
So we appreciate, appreciate you as a customer, and we're happy to, take your dream and turn it into reality, and now you can enjoy your car. And definitely thank you, Mark, for all the heart and soul that you put into it. So, all right, so we'll meet you guys over at the autocross.
Okay. All right.
Cool. So that's all we got, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you later.